ബാക്ക് ടു മൈ ചാനൽ. ഇന്നത്തെ ഈ സന്ദർഭത്തിൽ ഞാൻ പറയുന്നത് എൻവയോൺമെന്റിനെ കുറിച്ചാണ്. എൻവയോൺമെന്റ് ഹാസ് സച്ച് ആസ് അവർ എർത്ത്. The earth is an unactive planet in the solar system. The solar system contains Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus. In there have the center part of the solar system is the biggest planet in the world. That is the sun. The sun contains main light to the all 8 planets. Such planets are called the solar system. The solar system contains many of planets. Such planets are including many types of the environment. The environment is the first unraveler of the environment. The environment is the such as the Mercury, Mars, Venus, such etc. The environment is like the solar system. There have 8 parts. India, we can conclude it India, Pakistan, Japan, China, England, Iceland, Japan. This is all like our environment. The environment are like the solar system. Such is contained the first environment to our world. Thank you and have a nice day. Okay.